If you've lost access to your Binance account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Binance login page. Go to the official Binance website and click on the login option. Enter your email and password to access your account. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Choose Recovery Options. You will be prompted to select a recovery method. If you cannot receive verification codes via email or SMS, look for an option that allows you to verify your identity through other means such as security questions or backup codes. Step 4. Submit a support request. If the recovery options do not work, visit the Binance support page. Submit a request for assistance, providing as much information as possible about your account and the issue you are facing. Step 5. Follow up on your request. After submitting your support request, monitor your email for any responses from Binance. They may ask for additional information or verification to help you gain access to your account. Make sure to keep your account information secure and consider enabling additional security measures once you regain access.